It's 8:30, it's freezing cold, 2 degrees, and we're on our way to Cardiff for the Kinging-It premiere.
Hey!
Let's go. Just getting breakfast sorted. While we go on the way, one sausage egg muffin. What you got?
Flatbread.
Cheese baked flatbread. And a cup of tea. Right, do it.
Let's go.
Look, it's Cardiff Castle, boyo. In the pissing rain. And they've even got reindeer. Would you believe it? I've gone fucking Northern Irish again. I can't hold the accent, Katie. I can't do it. You can't come to a Cardiff Christmas market without getting some mulled wine. Yeah, cheers, man. Strong. Ding 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 ding. Boom 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 boom. Janka 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 janka. Blingy blonk blingy blonk blingy blonk. Wah 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 wah. I've got all bands of it. In Cardiff, you use your brains in a glass in liquid form. Boy, oh. I'm allowed to do the accent. I see the Welsh also have a liberal stance on marijuana. Make your own pot.
Oh, God.
Some moves, that girl, isn't she? Rocking the Christmas tunes in Cardiff tonight. I'll tell you what, that woman had some moves. Didn't she? A few too many glasses of mulled wine, I think she had. Made it to the room. Katie. Katie's on Facebook.
Well, I haven't looked at it all day, so they all look at me. Hello.
I might have likes, I might have comments. Let me check Facebook. It's Katie's checking Facebook. I watch the tipping point. I'm gonna have a little siesta till tonight. Then we're gonna see Kinging-It.
A digital health fryer is now only £59, our lowest ever price. Save £210 on these 74.
She's in her own world, she's in Katie world.
What?
How you love?
No, I'm just chilling out.
She's chilling out in Katie world. See, whenever we go on holiday, she has an extra holiday to Katie world. Because she goes into her own little world. Get off me! She goes into her own little world, Katie world. Yeah, there's PC world and Katie world. Get off! Tickling me, woman! Let me drink my wine and go to sleep. We're just going to grab something quick to eat and then go to the premiere of Kinging-It! Christmas!
Oh, I love these.
Oh, Katie loves the deer. Katie loves the reindeer. So here we are at BigMoose for the premiere. of the Mongol Rally, which is going to be shown on big telly there. Pride of place. Excited, Katie, to see the final, see if they make it. Find out why Miranda Babies is not parked outside. There you go, you see. You never spotted that. You never spotted that. I spotted that. I spotted that. There's Amy over there. There's Amy. And Craig is over there. And it's a good turnout. It's a good turnout, isn't it? So.
It is, very good turnout, yeah.
Thank you all so much for coming. It's an amazing turnout. We've got our lovely friends, Craig and Amy. Dad and I have known Craig and Amy for a number of years now. It's probably come up to 3 or 4 years. And they've supported us through everything that we've done, from the opening of this place. They filmed our Kickstarter video for us. They come to all our Super Tries, which is our disabled kids triathlons. They're there for us every step of the way. So we're really honoured to be your hosts tonight, and we hope everyone enjoys the documentary. We're very excited to see it, and I think these guys are going to come up and give you a few words before we start. So Craig and Amy. Oh no, please don't clap.
Oh, thanks so much, guys, for coming. Sorry. I can't believe there's so many of you. Oh my goodness, you all look beautiful. Thank you so much for making the effort to come and see our documentary today.
Yeah, it's just been like pretty much the last whole year squashed into like an hour and a half, and we've been arguing. It's been hectic, hasn't it?
We nearly broke up this week.
But we've made it happen, and I hope you all enjoy it. And
yeah.
hope you laugh as well.
Yeah. Just laugh. If it's not fun, just laugh anyway. But we'll do 45 minutes, and then we'll take a 15-minute break, and then we'll do another 45. It's quite a long one, but 70 days just crammed into it. So, yeah. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much.
Engines are running high and everything's getting a little bit crazy right now.
Struggling to see the screen again. I've had like 3 gins, so I'm on the way. Oh, did you like it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So, did you love it?
Amy's mum couldn't be with us tonight, but she came in earlier and dropped you both in. So
Oh, bless.
It's got my name on it as well. Yeah, thanks so much everyone for coming. This has just been like, we've never done anything like this before, like having people come and actually watch our videos, because we just post them on YouTube and we just close our laptops and it's out there.
Yeah.
So to hear everybody laughing and like actually enjoying it, we're like, yes, we're actually doing it. Yeah, it's been so good. And we were saying at the end, like, thanks for everyone who's donated and everything. And we've actually surpassed the £5 grand mark. We got to like £5,500.
Yeah.
And we've got some. We've got got the checks here. So we've got Keris from Click Sergeant, if you want to come up, and Jeff as well, and Chloe, you guys come up. We were hoping for like the big extravagant checks. We've got little envelopes.
We actually got kicked out of our bank
Yeah.
because we went to Iran and they thought we were doing terrorist actions.
Yeah, so cash it really quickly because they. So we actually had this guy George who donated £1,000 to each charity.
That took us
Wow.
So this is Click Sergeant.
Do you have anything to say, do? I've got a little bit of oh, you've got a little bit.
I think it's safe to say that Amy Craig, Jess Will and Veranda Babe had quite an incredible journey. Highs, lows, laughter and tears, but they stuck together, supported each other and were triumphant. Click Sergeant are honoured to have been supported with this epic journey to celebrate 10 years of Amy being cancer-free. We are touched that you chose to support our work with your special celebration, Amy. Thank you. Today, 11 more children and young people will hear the news that they have cancer. Because of support from people like Craig, Amy, Jess, Will, and the generous donations from friends, family, and awesome businesses, we can continue to ease the financial and emotional stress that a childhood cancer diagnosis brings. Thank you, everyone, and huge congratulations to you all. The Alpha Bound. You're amazing.
That's it. Well, did anyone have any questions about the rally? I think we kind of covered it all.
Covered everything.
Where's the car?
Where's the guy?
So where's the car? Craig?
So the car got shipped to Estonia. So we had to use our deposit for that, and it's getting.
No,
breaks my heart.
say that.
They're going to crush it in Estonia. So yeah, it was like beyond repair. Like Tom, you're a mechanic, you probably know. Like
I thought it was behind the barrier down there.
no, yeah, we got it. I think it was beyond repair. Like if we could have repaired it, then we probably would have driven it up. Yeah, it's still there.
It's in Estonia now.
One of our guys who was in the convoy actually went to pick up his Vespa.
Yeah.
And he sent us a picture. So Veranda was actually,
She made it there.
she's actually in the junkyard. So she's still there. What are you doing next week?
Random babes.
Yeah, thank you so much guys for coming and helping us raise all the money. Like, we truly appreciate it.
Yeah.
Katie's crying. Katie's crying.
No, I'm not.
Katie's crying. You're crying, babe. Is Katie crying? No, brilliant, that was it. So that is my vlog at the Kinging-It premiere. 1, 2, 3, bye!